The more you have by way of communication between these two groups of countries, the greater stability, the greater predictability one would be able to come up with on prices, on demand levels, on supply potential and possibilities. So all of it essentially will generate much better market information, much better perception of political and economic realities. And to that extent, I think it would certainly help the operation of the energy markets. I would say three things. Firstly, the impacts of climate change and the opportunities that climate change provides for development of renewable energy technologies, higher levels of energy efficiency. So I think everything connected with climate change is something that this group must discuss. And related to that would be the second thing, that's essentially the future of energy technologies and what kinds of research and development, what kinds of cooperative actions would be required to see that we come up with the kind of technological innovations, the technological shifts that are going to be required in the future. And thirdly, I think we should also talk about energy access, because there's a large number of people on this planet who are completely outside the market system, completely outside the modern energy supply system. And I think consumers and producers, when they get together, must address this issue. Because how long can we tolerate billions of people being completely outside the modern energy system? And I think this is a global challenge, so both groups of countries should discuss it seriously. I think transparency is extremely important because, after all, this is an area which historically has been accused of being very secretive, very sort of cloak and dagger in its approach. And I think that image has to be changed. If it's changed, it would be to the benefit of everybody. So if we provide enough information and data that's collected from all parts of the world and is made accessible to all parts of the world, then I think to that extent decisions will be much more enlightened, decisions would be far more objective, and to that extent markets and societies will function much better.